Okay, so today what I did was I actually asked the kids what they wanted to see as a tutorial for the blog, and a video tutorial that is, and I had them vote. And essentially it was unanimous, not unanimous, but they were able to put down on a piece of paper what they wanted to see most, and what they come up with was that decimals and comparing decimals and things to do with decimals. So I'm going to do a quick little sort of tutorial here on comparing decimals, and it's real simple. The first thing you do when you compare decimals is look for whole numbers. On this particular one here, they both have a 3. Okay, so it's a wash. Basically, they're dead even. Now, after we look for whole numbers, we then this is sort of like an imaginary line here, or a wall, which is the decimal. And essentially what you do is you start in the 10th spot, and you just take a look at the numbers that are there. And you have a 4 here, you have a 3 here. It doesn't take a genius to know that 3 is less than 4, therefore 3 and 368 thousandths is indeed less than 3 and 45 hundredths. We go to the top up here, do the same thing. We start with the fact there is no, or there are no whole numbers, so it's a wash. We go past the invisible wall, that's the decimal, and we start with the 5 and a 0. We know that 0 is less than 5, therefore 58 thousandths is less than 58 hundredths. Now I know there's confusion on, well, wait a minute, 58 thousandths is way bigger than hundredths. Well, if you were dealing with whole numbers, of course I'd rather have $5,000 than $500. The difference between the two things is this: 58 thousandths is further away from one whole than that is 58 hundredths. Essentially you have to look at it like this. This is 58 over 100. This here is 58 over 1,000. Now I don't know about you, but if these were staircases or stairs, and I was on staircase 58 and I had to go to 100, that's only 42 different stairs you'd have to climb to get to one hole. Over here, you're on staircase 58 and you have 1,000 that you have to climb. I don't know that I want to climb actually it'd be 942 stairs. Over here is just 42 stairs. So you do the math on that one. I'm going to go ahead and go with 58 hundredths as opposed to 58 thousandths. There we have it, comparing decimals. Hopefully the analogy made it that much easier.